A white Atlanta police officer says he will appeal a jury's decision in his reverse discrimination case. Fox 5 was first to tell you about Terry Joyner's claim that he was passed over for a promotion because the slot was, quote, being held for a black supervisor. And he claimed race was the deciding factor in who got to advance. A legal expert tells Fox 5's Morse Diggs the case is unusual.
Lieutenant Joyner worked here at the Buckhead zone. A civil rights attorney who is not linked to this case says discrimination cases with employers' decisions on promotions as the base are complex and hard to prove.
Or interviewing suspects, victims, or witnesses.
It's more likely than not that a roll call shift on a given day will be comprised of police who are of different ethnicities. It is at the rank of supervisor that Terry Joyner, a white lieutenant, made the claim that under the administration of former police chief George Turner, he was denied promotion to captain because a black officer was supposed to fill the next slot. And the same followed in other police divisions where a top slot might be held for the next white officer to keep a diversity ratio in line with a goal, according to Joyner's legal team.
Discrimination cases rarely even get to a jury. They are very challenging cases to bring from a civil rights lawyer's perspective.
Joyner filed his discrimination legal claim at the federal court in downtown, but a jury came back finding in favor of City Hall. Civil rights attorney Tanya Miller, who did not represent either side, shared a perspective on what that jury likely had to weigh.
Discrimination cases really involve trying to get into the mind of the employers, trying to establish that these employers made employment decisions based on some nefarious reason. If the employer can point to non-race or race-neutral reasons for their decisions, it's very hard to disprove that.
Joyner, who has retired, is appealing the case. Attorney Miller says city leaders can have diversity as a goal, but city managers have to be careful with day-to-day decisions.
It could potentially cross a line if a person is discriminated against based on their race. In other words, their race is the only factor in keeping them from getting either hired or promoted. I think that the city of Atlanta would view this as a significant win.
A big win for the city, indeed. The city will often just write a check to kind of make a case go away. As for talking about this particular case, a spokesperson says it would be premature to make any comment. From Zone 2 in Buckhead, I'm Morse Diggs, Fox 5 News.